So what's up guys, yan takay lang natin tong WE Glock 35 G-Force na John Wick series, no. So yan, CNC yung kanyang slide, tapos polymer yung kanyang lower frame, no. And Glock 17, Glock 18 magazine compatible siya, no. Kung makikita nyo, naka-custom flat trigger, no. Napakaganda, oh. Yan, oh. Tapos may pabungo siya dyan, yan. Tapos yan na, naka fiber optic sight na, no. So yung front sight and rear sight niya, no. Tapos yan, napakaganda, no. So guys, to may full auto to. Ngayon naka-semi siya. Test fire natin. So firing. Napakaganda ng response ng slide, no. So full auto natin, guys. Ayan, full auto firing. Grabe. Lakas ng kick, no. So yan, nag-open bolt, ibig sabihin, o nag-open slide, ibig sabihin wala nang bibis, no. Napaka-solid na ito, guys.